Good evening, everyone. This is Daniel. Welcome to my channel. We got some thunderstorm around, and if you can see that cloud right there, let me zoom in so you guys can see. It had there. Did you guys see that lightning in that cloud? There you go. There's some lightning. Look at that. That is so beautiful. Thunderstorm around. It's like a circle going around. But that cloud I'm pointing my camera at do have some lightning. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. I have never seen a storm cloud. Oh, there's another lightning. Like I said, everyone, it is June. It's the final season of Texas severe thunderstorm season. Join me next week. I'm doing a video. I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's a surprise. But I'm looking forward to post some more videos for you guys. I lost count of how many videos I've been doing, and it's been a lot of fun, and it's gonna get even more fun, so make sure you check it out. At the end of this video, if you like this video, go ahead and hit like if you like it. Please subscribe me so you can keep up and get notification of all the videos that I will be posting. It's been a lot of fun posting videos of thunderstorm, and but it can be scary at times. Just look at that lightning. Hold on, you guys. Alright, people, let me go ahead and zoom here. Turn it to dark. There, now you can see it's one cloud with lightning. Just want to share some cool stuff with you guys. Let's go ahead and zoom out. There. There is some thunderstorm going around. See, there's a thunderstorm over there. Over there. Yeah, it's all around us. But this one right in front of us is the coolest video I want to share. It's with the cloud and lightning. That's really cool.